Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Makartt pump up nail tips to create this really cute French nail with some bling. So let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, I already picked out the sizes of my full cover nails. I made sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall, and now I'm going to be taking my nail primer, which is from Model 1s, and I'm going to be etching the inside of the nail. This is known as chemical etching. You can go ahead and use an e-file to etch the inside as well, just to create little scratches. What this does, it helps to adhere the nails better to your natural nail. Now this set is from November. I don't have this set on, obviously we're in February now, but I am telling you that these nails lasted me 5 weeks. I think a little bit over 5 weeks. So I always do this with my gel extensions no matter what. I always prime them, whether it's with a nail primer or with an e-file. So next you're going to take your dehydrator and apply that to your nails, and you can also use alcohol just to make sure to wipe them clean. And then I'm going to go in with my nail primer and I'm going to do 2 coats of that. And now I'm going to be taking builder gel in a bottle. This is from Melly, I believe, and I'm going to be applying a coat of that to my nails, to my natural nails, and I'm going to be curing that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So what's up, guys? I know that I have not uploaded in, what is it, November, December, January, basically over 2 months. And first of all, I just want to say sorry. I really have missed doing nails. Like I said, I have not done my nails since November. I've had a lot of things come up. I was planning on posting in December, obviously. I did do a community post basically kind of explaining why I've been MIA. Long story short, I got the C word, or COVID, for the second time. Thankfully it wasn't too bad. I just got a little bit sick, but yeah, that kind of got in the way of me filming because I was sick. And then I also returned back to work, and since I work in retail, obviously Christmas and all that stuff, it's a really busy time, so I didn't really have any time to do my nails. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for sticking by. You know, I really wanted to do a giveaway in December because it was my birthday month, and then obviously Christmas, and it was just gonna be my way of saying goodbye to 2020 basically, you know, and I wanted to end in a high note. But like I said, life got in the way, and then obviously, as many of you guys may know or may not know, I do have 3 kids, so obviously my life revolves around them. So it's been kind of hard, and like I said, just even doing a voiceover, it's been really hard. But I hope to be back. That's a goal of mine for 2021, is to, you know, start uploading, do my nails more, and I am planning on doing a giveaway. I think I said that in my last haul. Look at that, I had pink hair back then. I don't even have pink hair now. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I have all the stuff, so hopefully I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. Should I do it once I reach 1800, or should I do it when I reach 2000? Let me know down below, guys. But anyways, what I'm doing now is I'm taking that builder gel and I am putting that in the nail, and this is how I'm going to glue the nails onto my natural nail. And as you can see, I have a little lamp. Like I said, it's like a dupe for the XBX lamp. Is that the brand? I already forgot. And I am going to use that to flash cure my nails. And I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen, you know, pre-dupe methods or pre methods. You know, it's pretty much self-explanatory. But honestly, guys, I really like this method with the builder gel in a bottle. I I have done Bling Gel, I have done base coat, and I've done poly gel, and I'm gonna say that builder gel is the way to go because, like I said, my nails lasted over 5 weeks. And I'm gonna say I think my prep was pretty good, obviously, if I give myself credit, but I think with builder gel it really sticks on. So yeah, super easy. I really like how they turned out. They're just a really pretty nude color. The Makartt pump ups are, I believe they are soft gel nails, even though in the Makartt website it says that they're plastic, but I don't think they are, to be quite honest. But because I soaked them off in acetone and they came off like nothing. And Baby Girl Nails on YouTube, she has a comparison of the real Apres and the Makartt pump ups, and they pretty much soaked off in acetone the same. So I just took my hand file and I just kind of shaped up my nails a little bit, and now I am taking my e-file with a safety bit and I am just going around the cuticle area just to make it flush, or quote unquote seal the cuticle. And yeah, it's really easy. I really like these pump up tips. I'm also taking a buffing block just to smooth out everything. But anyways, I really like how these nails look. These are the short stiletto ones, which are kind of long, but they're really pretty. I love this like peachy nude color. I think there's 5 colors. There's like a milky white, there's like 2 pinks, like 2 light baby pinks, and like a medium pink, and this peachy color. Really pretty. I highly recommend them. And I took my French tip, what's it called? Oh my god, French tip tape. Oh my god, I am having the biggest brain farts. And I am taking my U-Cheer gel polish. I believe it's a number 10, which is just a white. And I'm going to be painting my nails with this gel polish. I'm sorry if I'm kind of scatterbrained. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover, and honestly, like, I don't want to, maybe I'm overreacting, but it's actually the second time that I had COVID. And like I said, luckily I've been very lucky. I've been very fortunate. The first time that I got it when I was pregnant, I was pretty much asymptomatic. And you know, this time that I got it in December, I was, you know, I got a little bit sick, but nothing bad. It was just kind of like a cold. But I don't know, is it just me? I just sometimes feel like I forget things, and I kind of equate it to like pregnancy brain, but I'm not pregnant, obviously. I don't know. I know that there's like people that get COVID and like they recover from it, but they still have like symptoms. I don't know, sometimes I feel like my brain is just kind of like scattered. I can't find like the right words for things sometimes. I don't know, maybe I'm just overreacting. And also, I'm sorry if I'm being a little bit chattery in this video, because like I said, it's been a while since I've uploaded and done a voiceover and all of that. So if I miss any steps, I'll make sure to write them down. But yeah, let me know if you guys have had it or experienced it. You know, how has your recovery been like? Do you feel like you have any symptoms after it? Yeah, because sometimes also another thing is, the second time that I got it in December, I lost my sense of smell and taste as well, but mostly smell. And like to this day, sometimes my nose feels funny, like it feels like it wants to go like numb, or like if there's like a lot of air, like cold air inside of it, but there's no cold air. I don't know if that makes sense. but yeah, it just sucks. It still sucks being in this pandemic, you know. I just want it to be over. But anyways, I'm going over the gel polish again. I believe I do 2 coats. Now, From what I remember in the set, the reason why I have it all blinged out was because I did a lot of mistakes. I really like this tape, but I just feel like I can't get it. Like every time that I take it off, there's always like pieces like missing, or like it's never that perfect smile line. But I really do like the tape, don't get me wrong. But you guys are gonna see that in some of them, once I take off the tape, there's like mistakes, and how I cover those mistakes is with some bling. So as you can see, there's like some mistakes on my nails, but I'm going to be covering it up with some bling. And honestly, if this would have been a perfect smile line, I would have just kept it as is, maybe with like one accent nail. But you know what, I just went all out. Who doesn't like a French nail with some bling? And as you can see, to hide the imperfections, I went with the rhinestones right where the smile line is at. And to adhere my rhinestones, of course, I just took my bling gel and I put that, and I topped it off with top coat without curing. That is how I'm going to adhere the bling, because if you just put the bling gel, sometimes it can leave like a tacky layer. And also, I'm sorry if you guys can hear extra noises. Like I said, I'm feeding my son, but I think he's asleep now. But yeah, guys, like I said, I really hope that I can get back to uploading videos again, at least like once a week, or like, well, maybe that's a little too much even for me, but you know, not be gone for like 2-3 months. You know, I really do miss doing videos. I miss doing nails. You know, I usually like to engage a lot with, you know, YouTube channels that like I watch and like, or follow their Instagrams, but I just haven't had time. Like I just feel like I look at videos and I always like to leave like comments and stuff, but I just haven't had the time. And like I said, I'm sorry if I'm being too chatty in this video, and I hope you guys are getting I hope you guys are enjoying just watching, you know, me putting bling. Like I said, this set is like really easy, so I don't feel like I need to explain too much. But yeah, guys, like I said, let me know if you guys want me to do a giveaway for once I hit 1800, or I should just wait it out for 2000 subscribers. And also, if you guys have stayed subscribed, I really do appreciate that. I just want to let you guys know. It's like, I check my YouTube Studio app and I'm still surprised at like how I've still managed to gain subscribers. It's just amazing. Like I know that like if you really want to grow your channel, you need to be consistent, and I haven't been consistent. And I really do want to change that. I really do. So hopefully you guys can forgive me and I can upload more frequently. But if I don't, just know that you can go watch Slay by Jenny here on YouTube, Vanity Val, Breezy Nails. I'm trying to like remember YouTube channels that I really watch. Claws by Kari. What other channels? There's like a lot of channels. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it. Let me know if you guys like this nail design. I think my next video that I plan on doing is dip nails. I have been wanting to try dip nails. I've been looking at YouTube videos, again going down a rabbit hole of dip powder nails. I have a dip powder kit from Salon, which I mean, I don't want to create, this is not like a drama thing or anything, but this is a quote-unquote free kit. Well, not really, because I never got reimbursed. Well, I actually never did the review to get reimbursed. But yeah, I mean, I have a Salon kit, I have Mifa dip powders, so I hope to have some time. Because it's been slow at my work, I haven't been getting a lot of days to work, so hopefully I can get some time to do some nails, because like I said, my nails are looking so crusty that I need to do them. But I think that is about it. Like I said, if I missed any instructions or anything, I'm just gonna write it down. I'm just talking out of my butt right now. But yeah, guys, I really missed you guys. If you guys like this video, if you guys like to hear me jabbering away, then make sure you hit that like, that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, so you can be notified when I upload videos. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Please be safe, wear a mask, and yeah, just be safe, guys, because this is not going away. It's been a year. It's been over a year now, and we're still in the same spot. So I love you guys. Bye.